Imagine this. You go to sleep after a stressful day. Your body is tired. Your eyes are heavy. You expect rest, but instead your dreams become intense. You're running late. You're being chased. You forget something important. You're trying to fix a problem, but nothing works. And when you wake up, you don't feel rested. You feel exhausted. So what's happening? Why does stress change your dreams? Are these dreams trying to warn you? Are they messages from your subconscious? Or is something biological happening inside your brain? Today, we're going to explore this through science. No superstition. No exaggerated claims. Just what psychology, neuroscience, and sleep research actually show. What stress really is. Before we talk about dreams, we need to understand stress. Stress is not just a feeling. It is a biological response. When you experience stress, your brain activates a system called the HPA axis, hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. This system releases stress hormones like cortisol, adrenaline. These hormones prepare your body for action. Your heart rate increases. Your attention sharpens. Your body becomes alert. In short-term situations, this is useful. But when stress becomes chronic, it starts to change how your brain functions. And that includes how you sleep. How stress affects sleep. Stress does not stay in the daytime. It follows you into the night. Research shows that stress can make it harder to fall asleep, cause frequent awakenings, reduce deep sleep, alter REM sleep patterns. REM sleep is especially important because this is when most vivid dreaming occurs. During REM sleep, emotional brain regions are highly active. Logical reasoning areas are less active. Memory networks are reorganizing. So when you go to sleep stressed, you are entering REM sleep with an already activated emotional system. Why stress dreams feel so intense? One key structure is the amygdala. The amygdala is responsible for processing fear and emotional intensity. When you are stressed, the amygdala becomes more active, and during REM sleep, it becomes even more active. This creates a powerful effect. Your dreams become more emotional, more urgent, more vivid, more threatening. This is why stress dreams often feel extremely real. Your brain is not predicting danger. It is amplifying emotional signals. Common stress dream themes across cultures. People report similar types of stress dreams. These include being chased, being late, failing an exam, losing control, being unprepared, falling, being trapped, public embarrassment. These dreams share one core idea: loss of control. Stress in waking life often creates uncertainty. Your brain translates that uncertainty into dream scenarios, not randomly, but through emotional patterns. The threat simulation theory. One influential theory is called threat simulation theory. It suggests that dreams evolved to simulate danger, so the brain can rehearse responses. When stress increases, the brain may increase threat simulations. For example, if you feel overwhelmed, you may dream of running but not escaping. If you feel judged, you may dream of public embarrassment. These dreams are not predictions. They are simulations of emotional states. Why you dream about school or work. Many people dream about exams long after leaving school. Why? Because early life stress creates strong memory templates. Exams combine pressure, evaluation, fear of failure, time constraints. When adult life triggers similar emotions, the brain reactivates those old scenarios. Dreams do not follow time. They follow emotion. The stress-sleep cycle. Stress and sleep influence each other. Stress gives worse sleep gives more stress. This creates a feedback loop. Chronic stress can lead to frequent nightmares, repetitive dream patterns, poor sleep quality, and poor sleep increases emotional reactivity the next day. Stress dreams vs nightmares. Not all stress dreams are nightmares. Stress dreams are usually symbolic indirect nightmares, especially in trauma. May replay real events, include strong sensory detail, trigger intense fear. Conditions like PTSD are associated with recurrent nightmares. These are different from normal stress dreams. Can dreams help process stress? There is evidence that REM sleep helps regulate emotion. During REM, emotional memories are reactivated. Their intensity may gradually decrease. The brain integrates them into memory, so even unpleasant dreams may serve a purpose. They may help process stress, not create it. What stress dreams do not mean. It is important to be clear. Stress dreams do not predict the future. Predict failure, signal supernatural messages, warn of specific events. There is no scientific evidence that dreams forecast real outcomes. They reflect current emotional states. Why you wake up tired even though your body is still. Your nervous system may remain active. Stress dreams can increase heart rate, breathing, muscle tension. This reduces sleep quality. So you wake up feeling exhausted, not because dreaming is harmful, but because your brain stayed activated. How to reduce stress dreams. Science-supported strategies include reducing daytime stress, keeping a consistent sleep schedule, limiting screen exposure before bed, practicing relaxation techniques, regular physical activity, cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI. When stress decreases, dream intensity often decreases as well. When to seek help. Consider speaking to a professional if nightmares are frequent. Sleep disruption affects daily life. Anxiety feels overwhelming. Trauma replays in dreams. Most stress dreams are normal, but persistent distress should not be ignored. Conclusion. So why does stress change your dreams? From a scientific perspective, stress increases emotional activation in the brain during sleep, especially REM sleep. The brain processes those emotions through simulation. That simulation becomes your dream. Stress dreams are not warnings about the future. They are reflections of the present. They show what your brain is processing, what emotions are active, what your nervous system is carrying. Your brain does not shut down at night. It continues working, processing, organizing, integrating. And sometimes, when stress is high, that process becomes visible, not as a message from outside, but as a signal from within. If your dreams have been more intense lately, it may not mean something is coming. It may mean something is already happening inside your mind.